Okay, tonight, from this cookbook, from Christina Shoemaker's cookbook, Clean Paleo One Pot Meals, I am making beef burrito bowl. Yummy. So I'm gonna make it and then I'll show you what it looks like. Tasting the meat and the cauliflower rice throughout the whole cooking process, and I cannot wait to eat this meal. It's gonna be amazing. It is done.
Barely any. You actually feel
Here's my family. Okay, Christina.
No.
Are you waving? It was an A+. So I make burrito bowls, but I've never tried anything with those particular spices, nor is mine quite as fresh tasting. That to me was the best burrito bowl I've ever made. So awesome job on the recipe. Thank you.